Until recently, the world of artificial intelligence was largely the domain of technology enthusiasts and computer scientists. However, with the rapid rise of AI, including the introduction of ChatGPT, AI has made its way into the mainstream in record time. In fact, by the year 2030, the AI industry is projected to reach a staggering 1,811.8 billion USD in value. Today, AI isn't just tech. It's a game changer that can kickstart entirely new businesses and supercharge existing ones. As AI continues to advance, the demand for precise AI services is soaring, making this an opportune moment to explore AI-driven business ideas. So in this video, we'll unveil the 7 best AI businesses poised to thrive in 2024. Let's get started. Number 1. Gen AI Software as a Service Company. Let's talk about software as a service, which is a type of business where software companies offer services that can bring in a lot of value for your time and effort. These are the kinds of businesses we like to build, but we have to admit they can be quite tough to create. If you're up for a challenge, one thing you could do is start a business that uses a special kind of artificial intelligence called OpenAI GPT API. Here's why. There are already a bunch of startups in the business of copywriting, like Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic. They use GPT API to help them, and they charge people for it. What's interesting is that they've made it easy for customers to use by building a user-friendly interface on top of GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. These 3 companies got into this AI writing space early, and each took a slightly different approach. Copy.ai started with affordable prices, while Jasper and WriteSonic focused on offering lots of different features. They even added things like creating images and chatbots. But even with all this competition, there's still room for new players in the copywriting business. Here's some exciting news. OpenAI recently said that you can fine-tune these AI models like GPT 3.5 to make them even better. You can do this by using your own blog posts or articles you've written, and you can make it easy for your customers by adding a simple feature that integrates with Google Search Console and automatically brings in your existing blog posts. Number 2. AI Summary Tools. Next, we have AI Summary Tools. These are services that make short summaries of any topic. They do this by looking at a lot of articles, which helps people save time and work. Companies like Perplexity.ai and tools like Mem, Shekin, and Notion can quickly make summaries of vast amounts of information. Notion has recently added a feature that can summarize tasks in a project table, which saves its users a lot of time. Some companies, like Blinkist and Headway, are doing really well by making summaries of books and creating book covers manually. Imagine having an automated library of book summaries and what you could do with all the information gathered. When it comes to Gen AI, the more specialized you are, the better your chance of success. This means you can focus on a small group of people before trying to reach more. So if you focus on things like summarizing scientific articles, podcasts, or videos, and make your AI model the best in that area, you can win over customers. If you're not interested in starting tech companies, you can still use summary tools to save time when learning. They can summarize self-help books, blog articles, or even videos like this one. Number 3. AI to mobile. Now let's talk about using APIs to make apps that use the information from AI models. We're especially interested in mobile apps because there aren't many of them yet in this field. By working on mobile apps, we can bring AI to a lot of people who like to use apps on their phones when they're on the move. This is possible because phones are getting more and more powerful, and companies like Qualcomm are making chips that can do AI work right on your device, making your phone more efficient, private, and secure. Apps like Lensa and Zoomerang have made a lot of money by giving people access to cool AI tools on their phones. They use AI to create beautiful art and videos, which you can share on social media. There are also many apps similar to ChatGPT that appeared even before the official ChatGPT app was launched. Just like with AI software tools, you need to consider producing an app that is special and unique in its own way so that people actually find a need for it. For example, you could focus on helping people learn languages, provide an AI coach that's available whenever you need it, or even something super specific like an AI built to come up with food recipes. Number 4. AI for marketing. Using AI for marketing can help your business attract more customers without spending too much time creating marketing content. In marketing, we use different words and pictures in various forms to catch people's attention. At the beginning of our marketing process, we have things like social media posts and ads. If you're in charge of social media marketing or starting your own business, AI can save you a lot of time by quickly creating bundles of social media posts. You can use AI to come up with ideas for social media posts and even write the text. Then, you can use a tool like Canva to make them look appealing. To make your posts even more interesting, You can use AI to add a voiceover using tools like 11 Labs or Audiosonic. If you want to make videos for social media more easily, there are also tools that can turn text into video with a voiceover and captions. Tools like Jasper are bringing all these AI capabilities together to create complete marketing campaigns. You can give them a single set of instructions, and they can generate everything from social media posts to blogs and newsletters. You can even use ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas, create a website landing page, and market the offering to people who might be interested. Before we move on to AI business number 5, if you are liking this content so far, please like the video or leave a comment. It will help out the channel tremendously. Thank you. Number 5, AI for sales. Marketing is about getting people's attention, while sales is about sealing deals and making money. AI can be a big help in this area too. When you have a list of potential customers from your marketing efforts, you can use GPT with Google Sheets to create personalized outreach emails. This makes it faster to send individualized messages. ChatGPT can also assist in writing follow-up emails, which can be used in messaging campaigns if you're using tools like HubSpot. Some great tools like Lemlist and Apollo already include AI in their outreach platforms. For instance, you can send a direct message on LinkedIn and then follow up with an email. If you have a sales team, AI can even create sales scripts quickly, helping you get more clients and grow your business. At the end of the sales process, dealing with contracts can be time-consuming and complicated. Tools like Spellbook use GPT-4 to help you understand contracts better and save time on reviews. While it's a good idea to have a lawyer check big contracts, using AI can save time and money, especially when you're trying to save funds while expanding. Number 6, AI for agencies. Starting a service business may not be as large as a tech platform, but it's much easier to begin and make money quickly. You offer services to others, and there are many ways to use AI to improve your profits. AI and ChatGPT are very popular, but not many businesses have the time or knowledge to use AI on a big scale. Think of it like starting a social media marketing agency, but instead, you could start an AI agency. You can help businesses by teaching their employees how to properly use AI tools or even create custom AI solutions to make their work easier. Knowing how to create effective prompts for AI tools can also be a big advantage. Another way service businesses can make more money with AI is by generating content. For example, making eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube videos is important to get people to click on your videos. You can use AI tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion to create great thumbnails, even if you're not a skilled artist. Making AI-generated thumbnails might require some skill in writing prompts, and if you get good at using more advanced image generation tools, you can offer your services on websites like Fiverr or create your own thumbnail service on your website. And number 7, creating an AI chatbot. AI models can act like humans in conversations, making it easy for people to talk with them. Some cool examples of this exist, like Character.ai. It lets people create AI characters and share them with others. Also, AI-made social media stars are gaining lots of followers. Some even charge more than $10,000 for one post, even though they're entirely made by AI. You can make your own chatbot or AI character pretty fast. Tools like BotSonic, which is linked to WriteSonic, help you create a chatbot that learns from your documents and knowledge, and then you can put it on a website. There are many uses for this, like making chatbots for others as a service, having your AI chat with your audience or customers, or providing AI coaching and other experiences. As we wrap up our exploration of the 7 best AI businesses for 2024, we hope you found these insights informative. The world of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, offering a multitude of opportunities for entrepreneurs and innovators. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest trends in AI and technology, don't forget to hit that like button below. And for more valuable content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. And thank you for watching.